Today, I'm going to show you how to add a link to the navigation bar in your Gamma site, step by step. This is a super useful way to make your website easier to navigate, whether you want to link to a page, a contact form, a pricing page, or any external website. If you've been wondering how to update your Gamma navigation without getting lost in the settings, you're in the right place. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Gamma site project. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you're editing the right site. Once your project is open, look for the three-dot menu or the Site Options menu. This is usually where Gamma keeps the main site level settings, so click that menu to continue. From the options that appear, open Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, you'll want to find the Navigation Bar section. Gamma organizes its site controls here, and this is where you can manage what appears at the top of your site. Once you locate the navigation bar settings, click the option to add a new link. This is the key step that lets you place a custom item directly into your menu. Now you'll see fields where you can enter the link name and the URL. In the link name field, type the text you want visitors to see in the navigation bar. For example, you could type home, contact, blog, services, or any custom label that fits your site. Then paste the URL into the next field. Make sure the link is correct before saving, because even a small typo can send visitors to the wrong page. If you're linking to an internal page, double check that it matches the page you want from your Gamma site. If you're linking to an external website, make sure the full web address is included. This helps your navigation bar work properly and gives your visitors a smooth experience. After you've added the link name and URL, save your changes. Gamma may also require you to publish the site again so the update becomes visible to everyone. That's an important final step because saving alone may not make the new navigation link live on your published site. So once everything looks right, publish the site again to push the update live, and that's it. The new link will now appear in the navigation bar of your Gamma site, making it easier for visitors to find important pages. This is one of the simplest ways to improve your site structure and make your Gamma project look more professional. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.